Alright everybody, this video tutorial series is going to be based on how to use Nginx as a load balancer. So most of you know what Nginx is, but the people who don't know what Nginx is, this tutorial is going to uh, explain what Nginx does for you, and also it will tell you like it's not just a web server, but it can do more than that. So let's get going to the tutorial stuff, and I will just open up a Google search for Nginx, and it tells you a little bit about Nginx right here, pulled from Wikipedia. So basically Nginx is a web server which can also be used as a reverse proxy, load balancer, mail proxy, and HTTP cache. The software was created by blah blah blah. Okay, so basically this thing tells us what Nginx is and it can do. So it's not just a web server, it can be used as a reverse proxy for applications like Python Django project that uses UWSGI or Gunicorn. You can use Nginx as a reverse proxy to connect client to your backend Django or Flask projects. It can also be used as a load balancer and also can be used as a mail proxy and HTTP cache. So for this series, we are going to be focusing on load balancer. It's going to be pretty small series. It can be 2 or 3 videos. I'm trying to keep the videos as short as possible. So basic information about Nginx. Here's their official website, nginx.com. Nginx application, blah blah blah. Just stuff you can read here about it. You want to go to nginx.org where you can download and all the stuff. .com is like the service based, Nginx support based. It's not free, it's paid stuff. But Nginx by itself is a open source free HTTP server and package. So you can basically go to nginx.org and read more about what Nginx is from the documentations about it's how to use it, development, modules, etc. Nginx gives you so many modules that it's more than just HTTP server. You got mail module, you got streaming stuff. There are also open source modules available developed by other developers, like live streaming, for example. I have personally used Nginx as a live streaming endpoint. One of application that I worked on required a live streaming facility, so we deployed our live streaming server from scratch using Nginx. So there are so many things you can use Nginx for, and in this tutorial series we are going to be focusing on Nginx's as a load balancer, and I'm going to be using DigitalOcean for that. It's real easy. Their cheapest plan is $5 a month, and they only charge you for what you use. So if you are just practicing or something, for you need your server for only a couple days, you can go with the DigitalOcean and deploy your Droplet. That's what they say. Droplet is basically your virtual machine. You can deploy Droplet. They also got so many features, but we will not focus on that. We will just focus on Droplets, and I will be sharing DigitalOcean's reference link. If you want to sign up using that link, that will help me to earn some credit from DigitalOcean for my projects. And this video is not sponsored by DigitalOcean. Once again, this video and video series is not sponsored by DigitalOcean. I am just using their services for video tutorial, and because I just like their service, that's why. It's cheap, it's easy to use, and they also got real good documentations too. So if you get stuck, they got also good support and everything. So I use it personally for small projects. So DigitalOcean is gonna be our main choice, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.